What does the number after Unix/Linux file permissions like RWRWR1 mean in LSL output? Can anyone explain RWRWR.1 and give some detailed information on lslart command? Specifically, what does the number 1 after the file permissions mean? Why does it change, or why is it different for different files?
Some examples. RWXRWR1 is a file with read, write and execute privileges for the owner. The group has read and write, and others have only read. There are no links to this data. DRWXRXRX10 is a directory with 8 files. The extra 2 are dot and dot dot. Only the owner can create files in this directory. Others can access which files are in the directory and read the contents of those files if the privileges allow. R2 is a file which only the owner can read, but cannot execute or modify. It has a link, which means there is another file reference on disk somewhere that accesses the same data. So the actual file content on disk has 2 files referencing it. These links are often created using lane without supplying s. So, character 1 is node type, commonly, or D indicating file or directory. Characters 2, 3, 4 indicate read, write, and execute for the owner. Characters 5, 6, 7 do the same for the group. Characters 8, 9, 10 do the same for others. The number succeeding permission characters indicates the number of links if the node is a file, and number of sub-nodes if the node is a directory. See chapter The long format of man ls.
For files, it is the number of hard links to the contents of the file. 1 means no hard links, the typical case. A number n above 1 means this, and another n1 file names share the same contents. For directories, most but not all file systems report a link count of 2 plus n, where n is the number of subdirectories.
Max at localhost $LL. Total 4. DRWXRWXRX2 max 4096 ZEP 251711Z. Here 2 means number of link count. Now I will create 3 directories inside Z. Now value changes to 5. Max at localhost $CD. Max at localhost $LL. Total 4. DRWXRWXRX5 max 4096 ZEP 251716Z. That is because now 5 directories are present inside Z, 3 are ABC and 2 are hidden directories, ... If I create file, then nothing will happen to link count. But if I delete any directory, then link count will change.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.